Going to Lukenbach, Texas, Connie and Sadie and the girls. This RV life we're living's got us seeing other places in the world. Here I'm talking about our gas mileage. We filled up and then we drove 232 miles and then we filled up again. And I was very impressed. I figured we would be getting 6.5 to 7 miles per gallon at the best 8. And it turned out that through Alabama, we got 10.5 miles to the gallon, and that is towing a Jeep Wrangler 4-door. So I was very happy with that. The reason I'm doing a voiceover on these clips is because my microphone wasn't plugged all the way in, and the voice is very shoddy on these clips. Here, I'm talking about our pets traveling with us and how it's easier with cats than it is with dogs. With dogs, you have to take them out several times a day right before bed and as soon as you get up. So cats are probably easier to travel with. They're doing good. The dogs are adapting very well. We have pee pads that we put down at night. One of them sleeps with us, and she didn't get down all night last night. And the dogs that sleep in the living room area, they use the pee pads, which we were very happy with. Now I go on to talk about in this clip about Nomadic Fanatic and the loss of Jax. And I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I want you guys to know that do subscribe, that he had lost a pet, and you can look his video up on Nomadic Fanatic, but he had lost Jax, and he used a pet angel to cremate Jax at the vet he was at because he was traveling, and he waited several weeks to get Jax's remains. When he finally got Jax's remains, he was very happy at first, and then when he got down to the paw print he had ordered, it only had, I believe, 4 toes or 5 toes, but he immediately knew that that was not Jax's right front paw print because Jax is a polydactyl cat, and Jax has 7 toes on his right front paw. Now, I don't remember whether he did on the left or not, but I imagine he did, being a polydactyl cat. But yeah, Eric was very hurt, and it affected me because we had a pet put down in April, Snickers, and I had Snickers cremated, and we had the option of a communal cremation, which you get ashes, but you don't know whether they're actually his or not, or you could pay him more and get a private cremation. We pay the extra to get a private cremation because I believe that's the way it should be. I don't want other pets' ashes mixed with my Snickers. So he got scammed. He believes he got scammed. I can't say he got scammed. He believes he got scammed. He believes he has the proof. And we just need to know that sometimes when people say they're reputable and they are very, I guess, do what they say they're going to do, maybe some doesn't do it because they think, well, it's just a pet. So, yeah, I was very, very saddened by seeing his video and seeing the tears rolling down his face. But you can go to his channel, Nomadic Fanatic, and watch the video on his Jack. loop. And let's just see how good I am with this Class A. Some people, it looks like they've drug either going in or coming out of here, so I got to be careful. Drifter sets pretty high in the back, so we'll see. Last thing I want to do is drag drifter. Get over as far as I can. We have a nice patio, a grill, fire pit, fire ring. We bought Drifter. The clearance is what sold me on Drifters, because when you get out there in the zone and you get some of them washes, you might drag if you got a low setting RV. Now good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? Good morning. See what we got? It's early morning here in Alabama. And by looking out through there, I would say if there's a Bigfoot, we're going to see him here. That's for sure. But only if you believe in Bigfoot. Dogs seem to love it here. You like it here, Sadie-Bug? Huh? Sadie, do you like it? Do you like it here? I like it, Daddy. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Sadie is learning how to talk. She's 4 now, so she's starting to pronounce her words really well. Love this place. Truly love it. Are you stuck, Miley? Are you stuck? Let's go around here. Stuck around the tree. Only Miley. This is Miley. This is Miley. She's the only one that's going to get stuck around a tree if there's a tree around to get stuck. Aren't you, baby? Are you cold? It's 60 degrees this morning. Did something to my knee. I worked at a job for about a little over 3 months before we came, and it was delivering prescriptions, and it was a lot of steps, Some, deliveries were 3 stories high. A lot of, most of them had elevators, but the steps are for prescription deliveries for people that couldn't get out and get their prescriptions. So we delivered it to them, and I did something to my knee, and I'm pretty sure it was because of all the steps. I'm not talking about flat steps walking, I'm talking about up and down steps. This is a trail that's right by 40, between 39 and 40. And you like it, Sadie? Well, she just seems like it's nothing to her. This takes you down to the water. I'm trying not to get just the ground. Let me tip the camera up a little. There, that might help. This takes you down to the dock.